Greetings of the day, Goenkans. Hope you all are fine. Today in English, we will be learning more about adverbs of frequency and their positions in the sentence. If you remember, in our previous video, I told you what are adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency talk about the frequency of an action or how often something happens. If you remember, in our previous video, we discussed various adverbs of frequency. Today we'll be talking about the different positions of adverbs of frequency in a sentence. Adverbs of frequency have different positions in a sentence. In total, we have 4. The first one is the adverbs are placed before the main verb. For example, I always wake up early in the morning. In this sentence, you can see always is the adverb and it is placed before the main verb wake. Then we sometimes play football in the old ground. Here you can see the adverb is placed before the main verb play. And lastly we have I often think of you. Here the adverb is placed before think. That is the main verb. The second position is when the adverbs are placed after verbs such as am, are, is, was and were. For example, Anu is never late for her class. There are hourly ferries from Warsaw to Mud Island. Here you can see the adverbs are placed after the verbs like is, are. The third position is when adverbs can be placed at the beginning of the sentence, that is at the start. For example, sometimes I go for a walk in the park, often we play in the adjoining ground. You can see in both the sentences the adverbs are placed at the start of the sentence. Then we have the last position, that is when adverbs are placed at the end of the sentence. For example, I go for swimming classes daily. In the month of June, it rains quite frequently. You can see in both the sentences the adverbs are placed at the end. So these are the 4 positions of adverbs in the sentence. Now we have a scale here. This scale shows adverbs in the decreasing order of their frequency. For example, always is the first one. It means something which is most likely to happen, something which is done almost every day. And then it goes on decreasing. Then we have usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never. Never is the least likely. This scale helps us to know how often the action in the sentence is performed. This is the scale of the frequency of the actions. You can use this scale to write the adverbs correctly in the sentence. For this, you can go to page number 22 of your grammar book, where we have exercises related to this. So that was all for today, Goenkans. I hope you were able to understand. Thank you so much.